Okay, now this is how I made $1,755 this week. Tuesday, 7:37 in the morning. Didn't work Monday. There's no promo, no quest, nothing until I'm gonna find out on Thursday if we got something else. So all right, let's see what happens. Let's make this money. All right, 12:36. Made a total of 144. No promos, no quest, no nothing. I got nothing in between Uber and Lyft. I got nothing. All right, but 144 today. It's only like 12 something. So, all right, it's been a good day. Let's keep making this money. It is 9:42, and I finished with 278 for today. All right, multi-apping all day. If you apply the strategy correctly, okay, yeah, you get up there. So 278. Let's see how much money we make tomorrow. Let's make this money. All right, it is, what is it? 7:29 in the morning. All right. Oh, I just got my first with Uber. All right, let's make this money. 144, and I finished the day, well, half the day, making 145 or 146. All right, half the day. All right, I'm here charging. All right, let's see how much we're gonna make for the rest of the day. Let's make this money. All right, 6:54 p.m. I made a total of 203. I'm gonna put it right there. Okay, I'm done for today. I'm gonna go have some home sliced pizza. All right, let's see how much money we make tomorrow. All right, 7:40 in the morning. All right, it's gonna be a good day. Strategy today is the multi-app strategy. All right, let's start this. Let's make this money. 1:19 p.m. 1:19 p.m. and I did a total of 136. 136. Okay, today's been multi-app strategy. All right, the whole entire day. I got a meeting at 3:30, so I'm gonna get back to work a little later on today, but let's keep making this money. See how much money we make today. All right, it is 10:16. I made a total of 286. So today, this morning, the day started pretty slow. Doing Uber and all that stuff, and usually, today's strategy was just, do as many trips as possible, but it was pretty slow. So I started multi-apping, but it worked out. 286, 23 trips, and a little bit with Lyft. So majority was with Uber, some was with Lyft. Pretty good day. All right. Still, strategy, Saturday strategy. All right. Let's make this money. See how much money we make tomorrow. All right. It's 8:04 on Saturday. All right. Okay, it's gonna be a good day today. I got like a meeting phone call, so I have to hustle to get, but today all these promos and quests are coming up, so all right, let's make this money. And Saturday we finished the day off at about 9:26, I don't know, somewhere around there. Made a total of 302. I didn't hit any of the promos or quests or anything like that. So Sunday fun day, the Sunday hustle. Tomorrow's gonna be a nice day. It's gonna be a nice day. So for tonight, all right, 302. I think that's what it is. I'm gonna put it right there. All right. See how much money we make tomorrow. All right. It's let me see, 7:47 in the morning. I still feel a little tired. All right. It is Sunday. Let's make this money. All right, I got a strategy going, my Sunday hustle. All right, watch this, see how much money we make today. All right, it's like 8 o'clock. I finished the day off today at about 5 p.m. With a total of 375. So I did it for 375, and that was my Sunday hustle. But I finished really early. Sundays I always, make that much by doing the strategy. But that's for today. Let's see how much will we make next week. But this week we finished the week up at I think it was like 755. I'm gonna post it right there. All right, 755 for the whole entire week. All right, Sunday hustle. All right, let's see how much will we make next week.